To create engaging kids' stories for free, you can follow these 4 simple steps. Step 1. Crafting the story script. To begin, ask ChatGPT for assistance in generating the entire kid's story script. ChatGPT can help you come up with imaginative and captivating tales that children will love. Step 2. Generating voiceover next. Visit 11 Labs to generate a voiceover for your story. Initially, if you're not logged in, the character limit is set to 333. However, once you log in with your Google account, you'll have the ability to add up to 2,500 characters. Paste your story script into the provided space, and you can also customize the voice options by choosing between a male or female voice. Adjust the voice settings as desired, then click on Generate to create the voiceover. You can click here to download the generated voiceover as an MP3 file. Step 3. Creating high-quality illustrations. To bring your story to life, you'll need high-quality illustrations. Leonardo AI offers numerous free tools that can help you create various types of images. Select a suitable model from the available options. You can see examples of images created with the chosen model. Copy your story script and paste it into the provided space, then wait for the image generation process to complete. Make sure to create realistic images that enhance your story. Once the images are generated, open them and save them to your mobile or laptop. Step 4. Combining images and voice-over. Finally, gather all the story images you have created. Using any video editing software or tool, combine these images with the previously generated voiceover. This step will allow you to synchronize the visual elements with the narration, creating an animated video version of your kid's story. By following these steps, you can create amazing animated videos for kids.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between lush green hills, there lived a young boy named Oliver. Oliver was a curious and kind-hearted child who loved spending his days exploring nature. He had a special friend who accompanied him everywhere he went, a colorful parrot named Percy. Percy was not an ordinary parrot. He possessed the remarkable ability to speak and understand human language. Oliver and Percy shared a unique bond, and their adventures together were filled with laughter and joy.